So in this problem we have to solve and we have to find value of m. So we can write this m raised to the power 9 as m raised to the power 3 raised to the power 3. This we can write because we know a raised to the power m into n is same as a raised to the power m and then whole power n. So this is the rule of exponent. So we are using this rule. So we can write m raised to the power 3 and raised to the power 2 and this is equals to 36. Now we have m raised to the power 3. So what we can do is we can substitute mq is equals to t. So we are substituting this, and then if you do this substitution, this becomes tq plus t square is equals to 36, or you can take this 36 this side, so this will be tq plus t square minus 36 is equals to 0. So this is a cubic equation. So this is a cubic equation. So we can find one root by hit and trial method, by inspection. So let us try. So we can guess t is equals to 0 and let us put this value whether this becomes 0 or not. So 0 cube plus 0 square minus 36, which is not equals to 0. So this is equals to minus 36. Let us plug t is equals to 1. So if I take t is equals to 1, so this will be 1. This is 1 minus 36. This is again not equals to 0. And then t is equals to 2. 2q, that is 8, and then we will have 2 raised to the power 2, that is 4 minus 36, which is again not equals to 0. Let us try t is equals to 3. Now if you try t is equals to 3, 3 raised to the power 3, that is 27, and 3 raised to the power 2, that is 9 minus 36, this is equals to 0. So now I know from inspection that t is equals to 3 is one solution, is one root. So t is equals to 3 is one root of this equation. So this means I can say t minus 3 is one of the factor of this expression, that is this expression. Here I have this expression, t minus 3 is one factor. And this can be said from the remainder theorem. So we can say t minus 3 is one factor of tq plus t square minus 36. So what will be the other factors? To find other factors, we will use general division method. So we can divide by t minus 3 to this expression, that is tq plus t square minus 36. So first let us take t square and multiply t square by t, so this will be tq. Further multiply t square with minus t, so this will be minus 3t square, and then change the sign, this is minus, this is plus. So this gets cancelled out, and then we will have t square plus 3t square, that is 4t square, and then we will have minus 36. So we can plug this minus 36. So now I need to have 4t square here. This means if I consider 4t, then what we will do is we will first multiply 4t with t, so that will be 4t square, and then I will multiply 4t with minus 3, that is minus, this will be minus 12t. Now in the next step I have to change the sign, that is plus becomes minus because I have a plus here, and minus becomes plus. This gets cancelled out. So this gets cancelled out. So what we will have? We will have, here I have 12t minus 36. Next time I have to take 12, because if I will multiply 12 with t, I will get 12t. So now I will have 12t, and then I have to multiply 12 with minus 3, that will be minus 36. So now I change the sign, this is minus, this is plus, so this gets cancelled out, and this also gets cancelled out. So finally I will have 0. So another factor is t square plus 4t plus 12. So basically Now if I factorize, then I can write t minus 3 was one factor and another factor is t square plus 4t plus 12. So this expression that is here, that is t cube plus t square minus 36, t cube plus t square minus 36 can be written like this. So this is the same expression, only written in a different form. Now see, we have to put this equals to 0. This means now we have two possibilities, t minus 3, t square plus 4t plus 12 is equals to 0. So this means either this term is 0, t minus 3 is 0, or this term is 0, or both can be 0. So t square plus 4t plus 12 is equals to 0. But you see, this term can never be 0. Why this is so? There are many methods. One is you can show that b square minus 4ac is less than 0, because b square is 4 for 16, 4 for the 16, minus 4 times aa is 1 in this case, and c is 12, which is negative. So this means b square minus 4ac is less than 0. So this means this has a imaginary roots, and this can never be 0. Another way to show the same thing, what we can do is we can write t square plus 4t plus 12, and this I can write t plus 4t plus 4 plus 8. And this is what? This is nothing but t plus 2 whole square, and this is it. So this is a whole square. This means this term is not 0, not negative. This always, even if you take t is equals to minus 2, this term will be post 0. So maximum value of this term, or you can say this term is always greater than equal to 0, and then you add 4. This means this term is never going to be 0. This will also be this will always be some positive number. So this term is not going to 0. That's what we are saying. So in this case, this term is not 0. So not 0. It cannot be 0. So not 0. So what we will have, so this is only possibility, that is t minus 3 is equals to 0. This means t is equals to 3. So this implies t is equals to 3. And we earlier says, what is t? T is mq. So if you remember, mq is equals to, t is equals to mq. So I can write mq is equals to 3. So mq is equals to 3. This means m is equals to cubic root of 3. So this will be the answer for this problem. If you want, you can verify this. So let us verify this. So if you remember, the expression was m9 raised to the m9 plus m raised to the power 6 is equals to 36. Let us plug this value. 3 root 3 raised to the power 9 plus 3, this is 3 root 3, this is not 3 root 3, cubic root of 3, and this is again cubic root of 3 and raised to the power 6. So let us calculate this. So 3 raised to the power 1 by 3, and then this 9 gets multiplied, 3 raised to the power 1 by 3, and 6 gets multiplied. So what we will have? We will have 3 raised to the power 3 plus 3 raised to the power 2, that is 27 plus 9, which is equals to 36. So this is the solution. In this case, m is equals to cubic root of 3 is the solution for this problem. So I hope you like this video, and if you like, please share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.